In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a WordPress page. For many website owners, having the ability to hide specific pages from the public eye is crucial. Whether it's a work in progress, exclusive content, or simply a page you're not ready to share, WordPress allows you to make these pages private with ease. Don't worry if you're not tech savvy. I'll guide you through the process step by step, making it simple and straightforward. First things first, let's navigate to wordpress.com. It's the starting point and your central hub for all things WordPress. Once you're there, look around and you'll see a login button. Clicking on that will prompt you to enter your credentials. However, if your account is linked to your Google account for convenience, you can choose to continue with Google. This option streamlines the process, making logging in faster and more secure. After clicking on continue with Google, you'll be directed to select the Google account associated with your WordPress site. Choose the relevant account to proceed. If it's your first time using this sign-in method or you've cleared your browser's cache recently, you might be asked to confirm your choice by clicking on Continue. This step ensures that you're authorizing the correct account access to your WordPress dashboard. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page of your WordPress dashboard. This dashboard is your control center where you manage everything related to your site. From here, locate and click on the My Home option if you're not automatically directed there. This section provides quick access to various site management tools. Now, it's time to get to the heart of today's tutorial. On your dashboard, find and click on the Pages section. This area lists all the pages you've created for your site. Take a moment to browse through your pages and identify the one you wish to hide. Remember, hiding a page doesn't delete it. It simply makes it invisible to your public audience. Have you found the page? Great. The next step is to adjust its visibility settings. To do this, locate the Status section, which is typically found next to the page title or within the page editing options. This is where you can manage who sees your page. By default, most WordPress pages are set to Published, meaning they're visible to anyone who visits your site. To hide your page, click on Publish to reveal more options, then select Private. This change ensures that only you and other administrators or editors of your site can view this page. It's that simple. Your page is now hidden from public view, and there you have it. You've successfully hidden a page on your WordPress site. It's important to note that while the page is now private, it can be made public again at any time by reversing these steps. This feature is incredibly useful for managing the content you're not yet ready to share, or for creating a personal space within your public website. Before I wrap up, let me share a few quick tips. Remember to regularly review your private pages. Over time, you might decide to delete, modify, or publish some of these hidden pages. Keeping an eye on them helps maintain your site's organization and efficiency. Additionally, consider using this feature for pages under construction, exclusive content for select viewers, or any sensitive information you wish to keep private. Hopefully, this guide has demystified the process of hiding pages on your WordPress site. It's a wonderful feature that gives you control over the visibility of your content, allowing you to create a more curated experience for your visitors. Whether you're a blogger, a business owner, or a hobbyist, knowing how to manage your site's privacy settings is an invaluable skill in the digital age. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy WordPressing, and I'll see you in the next video.